Good morning, everyone. Today is January 5th. Happy New Year to everyone. And in this video, we're going to talk about the coiled spring effect or the stored energy and what happens when markets consolidate, um, which file is followed by the explosive moves afterwards. You have to excuse my voice. I have a flu, so I'm going to keep this video brief and to the point. All right. So I'm going to point a few things out. This is Bitcoin, right? Daily. We had a sell-off. We've been consolidating sideways between 52 and 45 for the last month. Since the early December, we've been just consolidating, and this is starting to look very similar to this. If you take a look, if you remember when we went from 65 to 30, this sell-off, huge sell-off, followed by this sideways consolidation and then an explosive move up. I think this is what we're playing out here on a smaller scale. So what is a coiled spring effect? Imagine a spring that you coil, and then once it uncoils, all that energy, all this stored potential energy gets released, and you get an explosive move. Same thing here. You had a coiling effect sideways, and then an explosive move out, a breakout. So what does it mean for this consolidation and this sideways market? Well, as you can see, very similarly, if we take a look at the 4-hour here, and we take a look at this daily as a fractal, you can see similarities, right? You see this huge sell-off with the huge wick, etc., etc. Same thing here, huge sell-off, huge wick, and then sideways. And now I'm going to point out a few pitfalls that people fall for. So this is after it started selling down. You can see that this is the low and this is the high. What's going to happen in days to come, we're going to have the same repeat of fake breakouts. We're going to have a breakdown and a breakout before we get a real move. So don't fall for fake shit. And how do you not fall for fake stuff? You have to wait for candle to close. So you can see this was the previous local resistance, right? Now we have a breakout, but we didn't close above this, as you can see here, right? We had at some point this looked like a very bullish candle, because you had one bullish candles, two bullish candles, and then this looked very bullish. And because it didn't close, a lot of newbies thought that, oh, this is it, we're going for new highs. They got caught, they got liquidated. More so, their stops were somewhere here. That's why we have this wick that probed below the support. It didn't close, it put a reversal candle, then we went up. So how do you avoid the same pitfalls in this scenario when we're gonna start playing around? So you can see the same thing here. You're at a high here, we probed above it and immediately reversed. Same thing as here. And I think we're gonna take we're gonna take out these lows. We're gonna have a spike down and then a reversal back up. So watch out for that. The way to not get caught in these situations is to wait for candle to close. Look what happened here. So as you can see, we're still looking at, where are my tools? Oh, shit. So here, we're still looking at this, as you can see, right? This is the first candle close above this resistance. What happens afterwards? Yeah, we roll over a little bit, but overall afterwards, because we had to, people who were pushing this market up went straight up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bullish days. Usually after 10 bullish days, you have a small pullback. And but the key in this whole situation was this candle here. that we had a solid close, that the buying power is here to stay. The buyers are here to stay. And that's what happened. You had a little bit of profit taking. It went retraced maybe 38. Let's see. Yeah, 38.2. Exactly to 38.2, right? And then an explosive move out, a breakout. Price being driven up, up, up. A breakout. Profit taking ensues. We retest this area, the breakout area, which often happens. And we go back up to new highs. Right? So we are now, this is where we are right now on the daily. This is how it looks like. So I think, like I said, we've probed a little bit of above, put a reversal candle reversed. I think we're going to dip below, put it, once you see a reversal candle, you can buy once that top candle gets taken out. So if you have something like this, I don't know if I'll be able to draw it, but let's say you have all right, so candle like this, well, square, right? Anyway, you get the point. You get a reversal candle like this one. You get this candle. You see this candle here? Once we take out the top of this candle, you can go long and put your stop below here. So if you get the candle like this here, probes below, once we take out its high, we can buy to at least retest the range high. So that's still going to be 7,000 point profit here, which is incredible. So that's the trade I'm looking at. I'm looking out for closes either below or above, solid closes on the daily before jumping into anything. And I'm looking for the repeat of, as you can see, the candles will be pointing, giving you clues as to what the hell is going on, what buyers and sellers and who's winning are doing, and will allow you to go long or go short based on the formation and price structure that develops. So I'm going to be looking for this situation to go long. I think why they're going to push this price down is simple. They want to liquidate the people who have their stops below this level here. So people who bought here, they're holding, and their stops will be below this support here. So big money will push the price down, get these longs liquidated, then they will take profit. So that's why the candle will reverse. And if that happens, obviously it can go to much lower, but we're only discussing certain scenarios, and this is going to be the buy scenario here, as explained. So you're going to have a probe below, run the stops, reversal, and then we're going to go retest at least these highs here, and maybe we can go sideways for much longer. But as it took a while here, it took about May to July, so it took about two months to develop. We're only 1 month into this thing here, but that's what I'll be looking at in the pretty much in the next couple of days or the next week to come. Hope it helps. As always, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and you're more than welcome to stop by our free Telegram group for more information or discuss any of this, or stop by apexbull.com for our trading courses, our signals, where we trade all of this live. So if interested, if you want to make money, more than welcome to join us. All right, hope it helps. Enjoy.